removing a processor and heat sink module PHM. Remove the front top cover. If you are removing a front PHM, remove the front air baffle. If you are removing a rear PHM, remove the rear air baffle. Unfasten the Torx T30 nuts on the PHM in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Push the anti-tilt wire bales inward. Carefully lift the PHM from the processor socket. Separate the processor from the heatsink and carrier. Lift the handle to release the processor from the carrier. Hold the edges of the processor and then lift the processor from the heatsink and carrier. Separate the processor carrier from the heatsink. Release the retaining clips from the heatsink. Lift the carrier from the heatsink. Wipe the thermal grease from the bottom of the heatsink with an alcohol cleaning pad.